What up, y'all? PHLAYMZ here. On a voyage with my phone. We're gonna just keep this one simple. Today is just gonna be raw footage with some music. By the way, I'm on Spotify, so give you a quick look at it real quick before I get started here. PHLAYMZ, Highways. Go listen to that shit. Wait, let me give you a couple more seconds with it. All right. Now let's go to this Late Night Vibes playlist.
Woke up this morning, think whomever you call it. Teeth brushed, I'm clean. Lip brush my jeans. Smoke one or just maybe. Lighter leaves from my belt loop, but I still can't find my lighter. Blunt snap at that fire. Whoa, big cup of some Simply. Tastes like heaven in the Aries mug. Take some of this with me. First chance, I'ma roll it up. 84 to the train. E-train to Manhattan. Yeah, good trees in my pocket. Don't be mad at me, cause she watching. I'll be fresh. First thing in the morning. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm fresh. First thing in the AM, egg, cheese, and bacon. Swag, what you saying? I'll be fresh. First thing in the morning. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm fresh. First thing in the AM, egg, cheese, and bacon. Swag, what you saying, huh? Shout out to anybody who had a bacon, egg, and cheese for breakfast this morning. I like mine with avocado personally. I need my bacon, egg, and provolone with extra bacon on everything. Smell like that loud dog on every bus and on every train. Every state where I stop up, burnt one on they sidewalk. Eyes out for them people. Got everyone in your town talking in everywhere that I go. Everybody show love, yeah. Everybody had wristbands, everybody had bud, yeah. Turned up, we did that, big blunts and zigzags, graffitis with ironic quotes. Beardo on my some swag, and that's all black with a blunt lit, cigarette full of that function, blunt longer than a lightsaber, yeah. You got a lighter, you're a lifesaver, yeah. I left mine on the night tape, I roll blunts, some of y'all don't like papers, but I might switch from a long health. I love high grade, I don't want nothing else, dad. That's real. Bum beat would say trill. Rick Ross would put a grunt here. PHLAYMZ say real. That's one time for my hitter. 2 times for this bowl. 3 times for the late nights. Trying to live it like that I chose it. I'll be fresh. First thing in the morning. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm fresh. First thing in the AM. Egg, cheese, and bacon. Swag, what you saying? I'll be fresh. First thing in the morning. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm fresh. First thing in the AM, egg, cheese, and bacon. Swag, what you saying, huh?
What you saying? Swag, ho, you saying?
But it's not just for the bacon, egg, and cheese eaters. It's for the butter roll, jelly eaters, cream cheese bagel eaters, the morning coffee drinkers. Get your day started right.